So it's mentioned like this way. I have Babylon, Egypt, Aramia, Alamia, and Cappadocia. Cappadocia is Persian version of Cappadocia, ladies and gentlemen. Before holy area was the state of Persia, so they grew up horses for the armies and enemies. That's why when we translate today, we translate like land of beautiful horses. We have another information about where the Cappadocia name origins. We have one art historian, Bilge Umar. He says these places belong to Hittite or Hittite civilizations, and they believe one god is called as Cappadocia. It's kind of sun god. Year by year it turns to Cappadocia, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. So if you're curious how these rocks shape, all of them nature made. Just the doors and windows human made later on, ladies and gentlemen. We had like some volcanic eruptions in this region. Right now we are in Nevşehir. Like when we check Turkey map, we are middle of Turkey, and in Kayseri we have Erciyes mountain, which is like second highest mountain in Turkey. In Aksaray we have Hasan and Melen. These mountains, these are volcanic mountains. Before today these are silent. Yeah, thanks to the God. Like 15 billion years ago, when the volcanic eruption starts, all the lava spread out this area like bombing. Yeah, but please imagine that everywhere covered by water like an ocean before. How we know that? Even top side of Cappadocia, the archaeologists can find out sea fossil sensors. So when the lava comes to the ocean, it made such conic shapes. Today we call all of them fairy chimneys, ladies and gentlemen. We have another eruption style. It's called as like calderal eruption, which comes directly under the ground and it brings compressor. When it comes under the ground, it's too hot, more than 3000 degrees Celsius, but the earth not so hot like that, so it cracks immediately. With this process, we have like canyons and valleys in this region, ladies and gentlemen. Later on, like weather conditions like snow, rain, wind shapes the area by erosion. Yeah. So right now we come to Uçhisar. Uç means top actually. Hisar means palace. If you look over there behind, there's a huge monument. Like inside tens of rooms and like many passages, and this place actually made originally by Persian Empire, which dates back to 8th to 9th centuries, so before Christ actually, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, so it's used as a real castle to defend Cappadocia before. Today it's kinda museum, ladies and gentlemen. Right now we are seeing from the like northern side, and it's roughly 160 meter height it has, but with groups we can't go up there, but individually if you have some time you can get a ticket. Normally like entrance part is like just opposite side, southern part actually. Sometimes balloon rise cancels. For example, last May the balloon rise cancelled continuously 20 days, so we recommended our guests going all the way up there to the castle. For sure it won't be similar with the balloon rise, but you can see all the area from the top side, ladies and gentlemen. If you have some free time, so you can do it. looks like a camel face or like camel head. 2 stones they put. If you wanna check like second floor from this angle.
Ainda devo pedir mais uma foto, só para conseguir. Aqui, Mahabagan.
Kelas sana. अभी कतार बोले भी इतनी
Yeah. Like a hand like
yeah,
this
yeah.
Oh,
The handle.
Looks like, yeah.
oh yeah.
To the widest range on the corner, inside the big rock formation. And we call it like Napoleon hat. Napoleon hat. Yeah. And if you
Ah,
look up there, there's two ducks kissing each other. Like
Yeah.
each other. And they look like cartoon Snoopy.
Snoopy.
Yeah, looks like that. And if you look all the way up to the hill, you can see like, you know, two men standing over there. We call them like burning dervishes. Do you know burning dervishes? They wear a white skirt and they burst and spin.